It's a used GE side-by-side refrigerator. Got it plugged in. Light works. That's the ice crusher, ice dispenser, water. Don't know if you can hear it, but the motor is whirring. So all of that works. There's the freezer. Everything works. Solid glass of water. Refrigerator. Everything works. Definitely cold. It's cleaned up. The handle's a little dirty just from use. I got the back off just to show here. I don't know if you can see. That fan motor is turning. Compressor's working. Looks pretty clean actually. Not bad.